So, good afternoon, all the participants. Thank you very much for your active participation and involvement all throughout the program. So, we have undergone through a 5-day faculty development program on modern pedagogical techniques and effective teaching and learning. So, this was the topic which I proposed to benefit the faculty members of various institutions. So, normally, when we propose the when we propose the faculty development programs, it will be basically the department nature, department oriented. Say, for example, I am from computer science and engineering department. So I am supposed to propose the computer science related faculty development programs, but I have gone beyond that limitation. So in order to benefit large number of faculty members working in various institutions such as management, pharmacy, then engineering and other fields. So I selected this because teacher plays major important role in shaping the student and society. So with that concept, I proposed to Atal Academy, and I have got the funding from Atal Academy. So thanks to Atal Academy of AICTE for sponsoring this program and providing us an opportunity to conduct this. And also thank the Atal Academy for gathering a large number of participants and getting benefit out of this program. So to remind the program, 5 days program, I just want to explain what are the what were the sessions that we have had. So on the first day, we had three important sessions handled by Professor R. Natarajan, former chairman of AICTE and former director of IIT Madras, has handled a session on new education policy and its highlights. So he explained very well about the new education policy and the responsibilities of a teacher and an education institution. So second session was handled by Professor Ramamurthy Garimilla, Professor of CSE Department at Mahindra University, Hyderabad, has handled a topic on innovative pedagogical approaches. So he has used computer science concepts to illustrate the innovative pedagogical approaches. Then in the third session, Dr. Ajit Ramarao Thete, State Farmer Joint Director of Maharashtra, so who explained about education leadership, curriculum development, and researches for effective pedagogy. So he basically concentrated on curriculum development and OBE, outcome-based education. And so the second day, Professor R. Natarajan has handled the fourth session. So that is on quality and excellence issues in higher and technical education. So, and the fifth session, that is the second day, second session, was handled by Dr. Shyamal Kumar Das Mandal, Assistant Professor of IIT Kharagpur, handled on effective measurement and evaluation techniques in continuous and comprehensive evaluation. So he has taken the class with a good number of illustrations. So what is the responsibility of a teacher after conduction of a class? He explained very well. So with illustrations. So he spent most of his time on post-mortem analysis of the test. Then the sixth session was handled by Dr. G. Varaprasad, Associate Professor of BMS College of Engineering, Bengaluru. So who handled a session on evaluation techniques for outcome-based education. So the importance of outcome-based education, he explained very well in the light of NAAC accreditation and NBA accreditation. And of course, in future, we also have to go for ABET accreditation. So ABET accreditation facilitates us to give value to our degree at on par with international universities. So probably near is the future. We have to go for ABET accreditation also. To start with, we have to go for NAAC and NBA accreditations. And third day, we have had a beautiful session by Professor R. Natarajan sir on potential for reconceptualization of education towards an improved teaching and learning. So though there were some technical problems from my side, so because of the active virus on my system, the session was interrupted in between, and anyhow we have handled it successfully. So sorry from my side. And coming to the next session, third day, second session, Professor K.V. Subbaraju, who is an eminent speaker and who is a motivator, who spoke on flipped learning and effective method for classroom management. Then the third day, third session was handled by Professor K.C.B. Rao, Department of ECE of University College of Engineering, JNTU Kakinada of Vijayanagaram campus, handled a topic on teachers' standards, professionalism, continuous professional development for teachers. So this was the topic he has taken up, reminding the responsibilities of teacher, and also stressed the importance of teachers for their development. And coming to the fourth day, Professor S. Viswanatha Raju, Vice Principal of JNQ College of Engineering, Jagityala, handled a session on capacity building for teachers with philosophical, sociological, and psychological perspectives. So, of course, these three are important dimensions for a teacher, which I explained in my session also. Then, second session was handled by Dr. K.S. Giridharan, Associate Professor of Department of Engineering Education at NITT TR Chennai, handled a session on innovative pedagogical approaches. And the last session on the fourth day was handled by Dr. Ashish Mishra, Assistant Professor, Department of Education from University of Allahabad, handled a wonderful session on learner-centered approaches and effective classroom management. So his session was quite impressive, and yeah. So the last day today we have two sessions. One session was handled by Dr. R.S. Kamath, Associate Professor at Chhatrapati Sahu Institute of Business, Education and Research, Kolhapur, handled a session on blending the technologies for qualitative learning. So the last session, 14th session, was handled by myself, Dr. K.V. Sambasarao, Dean, CSE Department of NRI Institute of Technology, handled a session on Fit India, how to make India as fit with respect to teaching, a balance between ancient and modern. So how to balance? So I explained the issues, reminding the ancient practices and showing the future also. So now it is the responsibility of teacher to upgrade their teaching capabilities. Otherwise, the digital teachers will replace the conventional teachers. So with that, we concluded all 14 sessions. Then coming to feedback, so I request all the participants to give their feedback in the Atal portal, as well as the link which I have provided. In that also kindly provide. So then I have also given a simple test, so online test. I think most of you must have answered well. So the marks and all I'll reveal after 4 o'clock, because I need to review. So without reviewing, if I release the marks, then later adjustments would not be a good thing. So and hence with this, yeah, I'm concluding from my side. So and most importantly, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our department HOD, Dr. D. Sunita Madam, who provided every resource for conducting this program, and our college principal, Dr. C. Nagabhaskar, who provided an opportunity and a strong, a very good association and support to conduct this program. So I also thank our chairman, Dr. R. Venkatrao Garu, who has encouraged us to take up this particular program, not only to benefit the staff members of NRI, but also to benefit the staff members of various institutions. So our motivator, Dr. MVN Sharma Garu, director of our institution, who has given right suggestions in conducting the program. So thanks to Dr. MVN Sharma Garu. Then I also sincerely thank all our resource persons. So 12 number of resource persons who have handled very beautiful sessions. And spending their time for the sake of our participants. So sincere thanks to all the resource persons for their efforts and time. So the sessions were recorded properly. So they are to be processed and they will be uploaded in YouTube links. So I'm going to provide YouTube links shortly, probably in 3 or 4 days, because I need to process the videos and upload in the YouTube. So I'll give you all YouTube links. So I also thank all the participants who cooperated very well and who behaved very nicely all throughout the program. So thank you very much for your support and your patient participation in the program. So I also thank Atal Academy of AICT New Delhi for providing us an opportunity and also funds to conduct this program. So with this, I would like to conclude from my side, and I want to listen the reflections from the participants. So this is an essential thing. So kindly give your reflections as I want to know to what extent we have conducted. So kindly give your feedback. So thank you all. Yeah, please. Yes, sir. Please. Hello. Sir, can you please give me your reflections? Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Please give me, sir, Dr. Kanwarjit Singh, sir. Sir, please. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sir, Dr. Gaurav Arora, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I would like to thank you very much for conducting the program and giving chance to attend the program. So actually, we are searching for this pedagogy workshop from last 3 months, and we are unable to find. We applied 2 places. One is in Assam, and other one is in our own university, Maulana Azad National Urdu University. But unfortunately, those 2 programs were cancelled. So at the last moment, we have applied, but Sambashivara sir has given me a chance to attend the workshop. And in a workshop, especially the learning outcomes explained by Dr. G. Varaprasad is highly commentable. So nice workshop you have organized. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Nice workshop you have organized, and the speakers are also very eminent. And I thank you very much, sir, for giving this opportunity.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, sir.
I'm Professor Grijesh Kumar from VIT Sindri, Jharkhand.
Sir, sir, please, sir.
I would like to congratulate the organizers for the successful organization of this wonderful program. They were quite prompt. 9:45 means 9:45. So every sessions, the program was very aptly conducted, and the resource persons, they were very learned people. We learned quite a lot. Most amazing thing was that from time to time you were providing the attendance link as and when demanded by the participants for their convenience. This is one factor, and the second factor is that during the sessions you also shared the percentage of the attendance of the participants. So I am sure that many participants were benefited by this. Doubt
Yeah.
clearing sessions were also very good. I raised some of the questions which I got the answers, but though still some of the questions remain unanswered, and I think that is not the proper platform to raise those things, because these are issue based, policy based questions, and this can be raised at the highest platform, either AICT or the Government of India or the Niti Aayog. So those platforms are suitable for these things, not here. But I must say the test was very interesting. All the questions were of the general nature and very, very interesting. Any person who is having the liking for the higher technical education, I'm sure they would be successful in this examination. So, from the core of my heart, I congratulate you for the successful organization of this program. And the participants, they were really wonderful, because through the chat box I could see the questions, the standard of the questions raised by them. I'm really impressed. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your feedback. Yeah, I'm requesting some more feedbacks.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir.
Myself is Dr. Fawaz TK from USAT.
Sir?
Dr.
Yes, sir.
Fawaz
Yes, sir.
TK from Cochin University of Science and Technology, USAT.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yeah. Actually, on Monday morning, I just sent a message to Dr. Rao, and within 5 minutes, I got the reply that it is approved, and I joined the course. And it was a very, I am very happy that in a sudden response, just I mailed it, but I got in 5 minutes the reply. And another positive point was that on all the 3 days, the sessions of the eminent personality, Dr. Natarajan, that was actually, I heard about him as the chairman of the AICT, like that only, but in all the 3 days, the first session from a giant person, a very experienced person, was actually an asset of this course, I believe. And also overall, a new platform, GoToMeeting, was also a new experience. And thank you, the organizers.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon,
sir.
Yeah, this is Dr. Sri Jyoti from Aurora's Business School, Hyderabad, Telangana. Sir, this apart from all the faculties' key points, I would like to add the point where teaching became our life. It is one of our life, part of our life. So from many years, and this workshop, with the grace of Atal workshop, CSE department head, with the grace of CSE department head KV Sambasivarao garu, I would like to thank for the fine tuning of once again refreshing the course using the modern pedagogy. So I would like to thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So you have molded again how to mold the students in the classroom, how we need to identify students as a learners, and all the teaching aids. Again, although we are implementing, most of the colleges are implementing in their institutes, but still you boosted our confidence. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So in my session, madam, or in general?
Sir, particularly in all the sessions, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yeah, some more reflections, sir. Yeah, Madam Dr. Sushma Dave. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Good
Hey,
afternoon,
madam.
sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, it was a very nice session.
Yeah.
Overall, all the sessions were very nice. We came to know about the flipped classrooms in very detail, and really, I enjoyed the sessions too much, sir. And we're going to implement in the classrooms also, sir. Thank you so much for organizing such a nice event, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Yeah, some more reflections from the participants.
Hello.
Yeah, sir.
I am audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, myself, I am Praveen Kumar from Delhi Institute of Tool Engineering, sir, from Delhi.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I would like to congratulate to NRI Institute of Technology to successful organize this type of FDP, and thank you all for organizing a wonderful and enriching FDP. And I'm very grateful to you, sir. The last time you have approved or approve us to attend this FDP, and this is very grateful to you, and very this FDP is very benefit to us. So thank you very much for this, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So yes, sir. If there are no reflections, we can conclude.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, test link is posted in WhatsApp group again. I have already submitted. Do I have to submit again?
No need.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can I know the marks? Sir, no. That time the score was not shown.
No. After 4 o'clock, I'll share the sheet.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, madam.
Actually, I just wanted to make a point. In the Google form, 1 mark is being allotted for the email ID also. So since everybody has been selecting their own email ID, so everybody will be getting that wrong. So 1 marks will be deducted there.
No, that I'll consider, madam. No problem.
Yeah. So just that point. Rest everything was very well organized, sir. Thank you for giving us this opportunity.
Yeah, madam.
Thank you.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, madam. If there are no reflections, probably we can conclude. So thank you all for your nice and active participation all throughout 5 days. And every opportunity is given by God. We should not forget our God for His blessings and support. So thanks to everyone who supported directly or indirectly, apart from the persons who are listed here. So I wish you all the best in your future endeavors, and thank you all. So all the best. So we will conclude this session with our national anthem. So in a standing posture. Okay, thank you all. So see you again.
Good
At a different